What's really good, y'all? It's the Rap God again. For all y'all that's out here, I see y'all struggling. I see y'all trying to be a part of a movement, actually probably out there running around looking for jobs and different things of that nature. You dig what I'm saying? But again, I'm gonna tell y'all, even though I'm giving an opportunity for brand ambassadors, models, promoters, artists, everybody that want to get a piece of the Megastar Mafia, Megastar brand, Megastar TV, Black Rolling Stones, AThug, the Rap God. You dig what I'm saying? We out here, multiple brands where you can make money from connecting the dots, from whether it be something as simple as selling a t-shirt and getting 20%, hoodie, hat, t-shirt, Scullies, all of the merchandise, the health good, the Seymours, the sour sap, the all of that. You know what I'm saying? So you could be like, I want to be on the music side, I want to be on the health and wealth side, I want to be on the studio production, the beats side. You know what I'm saying? I want to be on the manager side, setting up these tours, setting up these shows. You know what I'm saying? Basically, we looking for to fill up, you know, different positions. Let us know, like, you know what I'm saying, how we could collaborate under this post, how we can make money. You dig what I'm saying? So the Megastar brand, become a Megastar brand affiliate, earn commission by helping connect people with the products and services offered through Megastar brand's ecosystem. As a Megastar brand ambassador, you're building relationships, creating opportunities, and getting rewarded for every successful referral. Earn up to 20%. Brand ambassadors earn 20% of commission on qualifying products, services, and business opportunities. Services you can earn commission on as a Megastar brand ambassador is studio recording sessions, mixing, mastering, music production, custom merchandise orders, bulk merchandise, wholesale, artist features, collaboration, ghostwriting songs, songwriting services, book Rap God AThug for features, shows, productions, etc. Music production, video editing, magazine placement, marketing, promotion, logo and branding services, business consultants, marketing and promotional campaigns, social media promotion, website and online business services, media promotional opportunities. This is all of the areas where we actually this is what we do. If you need any services, you can holler at us for any of those services that you see. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the boogie down Bronx, you know what I'm saying? 5 Borough Thorough, you already know what it is. I need y'all to really tap in and listen. Let's network. Whether you all the way up there with Jay-Z, I just extended the olive branch to Jay-Z, or you 38 Special, you feel me? Holla at me, man. If you from Harlem, I definitely reached out to Dame Dash. We're gonna get into the next one about that. You dig what I'm saying? I got a song called Dame Dash, you know what I'm saying, on my album. Go check that out, you feel me? And multiple attempts to show love to the homie reaching out as the underground king. I mean, somebody holla at him, you know what I'm saying? But it's bigger than that, you dig what I'm saying? I'm giving options to multiple people, whether they even fuck with each other or not. You dig what I'm saying? And whoever bite pause, yo, the other parties is gonna be fucking sad, bro. You feel me? Whoever link up with me in this industry, watch what the fuck is going to happen. It's a takeover, son. You feel me? Whoever from the brand ambassadors up, they will start off as brand ambassadors and be fucking CEOs by the time I'm done with them. AThug, the masterclass, man. Doubt me. Go ahead. Now watch me work.
Yeah. They love me, then they hate me. Feeling like Dame Dash, I'm making my own movie. Feeling like Dame Dash, they say I'm flashy, fly, rich. Dame Dash, I'm my best investment. Feeling like Dame Dash, they love me, then they hate me. Why? Feeling like Dame Dash, I'm making my own movie. Feeling like Dame Dash, they say I'm flashy, fly, rich. Feeling like Dame Dash, I'm my best investment. Dame Dash, gotta do is show up. Oh yeah, that's half the battle. Rap God, supreme, that been my mental. Invest in my dreams and my instrumentals. I'm making my own movies. I'm feeling special. Lil Artie, way my paintings bless you. I'm God of the gods. I step on devil.
All those praise me so mean.
I'm on a